Mastercraft on the beat.
Go.
If I am now, but the second of its kind, whatever Meliozo, this is the Lagos Igbo Hangout version 2.0. Nobody can make any. Afambo basics. Esim Lagos Igbo Hangout. When I can know.
Normally in Afo 2024 na June, and he had the second edition, and I'm like it
buying MSC, all the go everywhere. As some can do, get go be sidiki na Afo na I'm a for so kwa.
Mana to the details na Jehova Jimna akwa ngwolu na akọtazi ụmụ Igbo niile nọ na Lagos under one umbrella. For not to say our team for this year was Njikota Na Nkwado. Here I was new to can Ndị Igbo niile nọ na Lagos can unify say can enore wanya aka. Njikota Na Nkwado unity and support.
Ebi wozo. Okay. Oga amasị gị bụ onye Igbo.
Hey, sure now.
Like they always say, anywhere you go to, you don't see that Igbo man. You need to live there. Right. So it's just a celebration of one Igbo heritage, and then like the Igbo community in Lagos State. We're very far away from our different homes, right? Different villages, different communities. So it's exciting to be here to just meet up with my fellow brothers and sisters, celebrate with them, be proud of our heritage as Igbo people, and just have fun generally.
Yeah. Bright Chimeze or Fino?
Fino, without thinking.
Okay.
Fino.
Fino or Jerick?
Fino.
Okay.
Fino.
Okay.
Nobody's beating Fino, trust me.
You think you've escaped, yeah?
Nobody's beating Fino.
Okay. Fino or Flavor?
Fino.
So Fino is your final answer.
So
Fino is your all-time.
Nobody's beating Fino. Nobody.
Okay, I see you. I see give you also. You can like keep your as a way.
Yes, definitely. Why not?
From the same states. Yeah, I like you switch states.
Bamba.
In the show. Okay, what I like to talk about now.
Abakaliki girl. Easy girl to be precise. Proud one.
Techno or Zoro?
Zoro. Maswag. Zoro.
Okay. Zoro. Konu no Ziggy.
Zoro.
Okay. Zoro. Kosuto Sadebe. You can choose. Okay. Osankwa. Ko Oliver the Coke. Osadebe. Ko Oriental Brothers. You got roll futa. I want to be Jazo. Osankwa.
Oriental Brothers.
Oriental Brothers.
Abịam n'afọ gara aga.
Okay.
Njikota. In fact, esi m Ivory Coast gaa this morning because of this event. Ihe a na-eme ebe a bụ nnọkọrịta ụmụnne ndị Igbo nọ na Lagos. Anyị bịa otu anyị nọ now, anyị nwa aṅụrị, anyị akọrịa nkata. Otu ụmụnne supposedly na-eme ghọtago. Onye merụ nji bịa, and obi dị m ụtọ na ihe niile na-aga ọfụma.
Ude nwa, nzube nwa, ejito nwa, oloye nwa, ntụba nwa, fasikwa Atalanta, odiga adịkwa mma, faji propaganda. Heroes go go go. Olise meke mazi feneme asinga kona madu okwanu eje go nekwu asinga kona madu ana mo fo mo weli feneme asinga kona madu okwanu eje go nekwu asinga kona madu ne chukwu okike na ba fenele asinga kona madu okwanu eje go nekwu asinga kona madu ana mo riro weli feneme asinga kona madu okwanu eje go nekwu emanu akawaba o bidego pe o payitowe oh, digorogo,